Well, I can tell you what, even before I work with someone, I say to them, I'm going to tell you some notes, and I haven't even heard you read yet.
Okay.
Number one, you're working too hard. Number two, cut the volume. Number three, lose the headphones. Now, get that out of the way. Let's just get that boilerplate, and then we can, now we got game.
Yeah.
Because those
Why are people
three,
working too hard?
proving, insecurity, not understanding, not letting the microphone do the work. I often say it's a microphone, not a megaphone. The other is understanding the environment in which our information is now received. The environment is smaller and smaller and smaller. Hence, everything has become more intimate.
Right.
So cutting the volume is essential. I said to somebody in the weekend, I said, it's pillow talk. I said, you wouldn't turn to, your partner and say, honey, I love you, and see if they, oh, I love you too.
Yeah.
She's hovering in a corner.
Right.
It's just proximity. So you look at the smaller screens, the tablets, the phones, the watches, the glasses. I mean, soon it'll be just holograms.
Yeah.
I mean, and you realize that we've gone from what was called broadcasting to narrowcasting. And that, it used to be always, we'll talk to one person. Well, now you really are. You really are only talking to one person at a time. And so that's a different relationship. That's, having a nice dinner with a friend.
Yeah.
And it's, all these cliches are around because cliches are true.
Yeah.
Doesn't make them, any the less viable because people have used them. And it's just a matter of understanding that there are certain aspects of the work that change once again because of the technology, the manner in which people want to receive information,